ChatGPT's new enhanced long-term memory feature, launched in April 2025, is turning heads as it allows the AI to retain user preferences across sessions, offering a seamless and personalized experience. This advancement is celebrated for its ability to automate tasks tailored to individual needs, effectively transforming how users interact with technology. However, it's not without controversy. Digital rights groups are raising red flags, expressing concerns over the potential misuse of sensitive corporate data stored through these conversational histories. The fear is that, while the feature offers convenience, it also opens doors to privacy risks, making it crucial to balance innovation with security. As ChatGPT evolves, the conversation around data protection and user consent becomes more critical than ever before.